So today in this video I am going to talk about the type of intraocular lens which are available for modern cataract surgery. Before getting into the topic, let us understand what a cataract is. So cataract is nothing but a natural crystalline lens which is present inside the eye, becomes opacified or forms a clouding due to advanced aging. It interferes with normal daily routine activities. In such cases, this clouded crystalline lens can be replaced with a artificial intraocular lens, which is generally a safe procedure. Let's see what are the types of intraocular lens which are available in the market. There are three types of intraocular lens which are available in the market: monofocal lens, toric lens and trifocal lens. Monofocal lens provides a clearest vision at one distance, near or far. So most of the monofocal lens are used for the distance, and patients are expected to wear glasses for near work like reading and as well as for the intermediate vision while looking at the monitor or the system. Toric lens, which is a special lens which can be used to correct the special power over the cornea known as astigmatism or a cylindrical power. These lenses have a special markings at the periphery of the lens where the lens can be oriented intraoperatively according to the patient's vision requirements. Next comes the multifocal lens. These lenses mimic like a natural lens which is present inside the eye. It has the ability to flex, and these lenses can be useful for three distances like far, intermediate and near vision. So it's up to you to discuss with the doctor, and based on the patient's requirements, these lenses can be implanted in your eye.